just wanted to share with everyone the wonderfulness of my kitchen. I know I said I would do it before, so I'm doing it now. So this is our kitchen. As you can see, I can't stand this way in the kitchen. I can only stand this way. It's too small for me to stand, and two people, of course, can't get in here at the same time. So the big thing, so this is what I'm working with when I'm trying to make my cakes. But the biggest thing is my lovely stove and oven. Pardon that. Of course, you can see it's really, really tiny. I will open it up for you. It's got one rack. It's about 16 inches both directions. It's a 16-inch square, basically. So the biggest thing, though, is that it has basically two temperatures, off and on. So on, the lowest temperature on my knob here is 150 degrees, and when I turn it on 150, it's actually about 375. So that's what I'm working with. I can't go lower than 375 in the oven, and a lot of times it's higher than that. So yeah.
Baking is an adventure.
Yes, it is, especially here. So I just wanted to share that with you and let everybody know that I might be having some issues with my baking once in a while, and that's why. Another thing is I have no outlets in the kitchen. I have this one that I had to rig. Actually, it's here. We'll show them here. It's actually inside the cupboard against the wall. So we had to run a cord outside the cabinet here just to have a plug to plug in our microwave and then our Instant Pot when we use it. And then the only other plug I had to run an extension cord from the living room around the door down here just to have another plug here to plug in. That's why it's such a mess here. To plug in Alexa, and when we do lights, to plug in the lights. So I can't even plug my mixer or any other small appliances in. They're all in the living room. Don't show them the living room, it's a mess. But, so yeah, that's another thing.